Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A13, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access calendar and pick a date that you wish to set up. In my case, that one. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner to create your event. After that, you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, change color, I will go with green one. Select starting hour or ending one. You can also completely disable this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Over here, take notes, invite people from your contact book, and even select repeat if you want your event to repeat, for example, every week. I don't want those, I will go with don't repeat, go back and choose location. Over here you can type in wherever you wish to or click on a map, select cancel, in my case, and click on the search bar over here. Then type in an address, in my case Forks, and when it's ready, click down at the bottom right corner. Following that, save your event by choosing save at the bottom right corner as well, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by clicking on it, tapping on it one more time and choosing edit icon at the bottom. Then make your changes and remember to choose save to save them. If you wish to delete your event though, you can also do that by clicking on it, but this time tapping on delete icon at the bottom right corner and choosing move to recycle bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!